go to the liquor store and get absolutely blasted drunk. Oh yeah, but they don't know that I'm in a striker vehicle. Today we're gonna be heading over to a car meet in Laurel. If you're in the DMV area, you know where the fuck Laurel is. I don't know how to explain it. It's somewhere in the map, on the United States map. I think we about to... Did you hear my brakes?
I think so.
If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the like, comment, and subscribe.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
Hit the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a video. Should I send it on this corner so that we could die?
We should go when the car is coming.
Head over to the car meet, see how it's looking, and we'll pick up the camera when we get on the highway. This is not real. Everything that you're about to see is all AI generated. The thing about this car meet that I didn't mention to you is that we're going to the car meet 2 hours late. We're in the middle of fucking nowhere. Look, there's trees and shit around. As soon as this other side of the road clears up, oh yeah, we're doing a pool. I fucking love this car! I'm not gonna lie, like, I kind of shit myself a little bit. No, like, I actually farted, like, that ass. I actually did fart, like, for real.
Oh.
Let me roll the window down a little bit. What is that
It's
smell?
so
Oh my god! Ah! It actually stinks, guys. I'm being dead ass. And this time I didn't fart. I'm being so serious. This is not to mention, my taillight is definitely still out from the last video. So if we get pulled over, like, that's actually it. Like, we might actually go to jail. We, as in me and you.
I'm not going to jail.
What do you mean? Alright, y'all, so we're pulling into the meet now. I'm not gonna lie. Where everybody at?
Where they at?
Actually, I think this car meet has ended. So guys, I'm sorry. We just successfully wasted 15 minutes of your time. Make sure you guys hit the like button while y'all are at it. Alright guys, we got the bills here and shit. And if y'all are at any meet in the DMV, you already know that they will never fail to play music on that goddamn chuchero. Oh yeah, this is nice. That Subi is very nice. I kind of fuck with this Subi. I'm not gonna lie to you. This joint is fucking nice. I can't even cap. Damn, that joint is nice. And then the one and only, the Beast. Like I said, guys, life isn't about what you make it. Life is what you make it.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
We're gonna get back the fuck into this car and go to fuck home. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and leave this car meet. It was nice while it lasted. We were literally here for probably 5 minutes max. Not gonna lie, we're gonna find something else to do because there's absolutely nothing else to do here. But they don't know that I'm in a striker vehicle. Look at them. They don't know I'm in a striker right now. None of them. None of them even know. Only people that know are y'all. So if y'all tell on me, then I'm gonna find out where y'all live and I'm gonna blow your house up. All right, guys, we're gonna go to the liquor store and get absolutely blasted drunk and drive home. I'm kidding. Don't actually drive home drunk. That's actually not part of the plan. Don't do that. Look at this goddamn Volkswagen. Move your ass up out the way. Should I send it for them? They crashed the whip.
You might crash, but
those are not my brakes. Those are not my brakes. Look at this goddamn Charger here. Charger don't want no smoke. Do something. Do something. That's what the fuck I thought. Man, if you live in Maryland and you drive like this, actually I don't live in Maryland, my bad. I don't live in Maryland. I live in Texas. That's for the police, by the way. I can't have them know where I live. Why are you laughing?
I'm pretty sure you said our location like
No, I didn't. What's up, uncle?
That's
my uncle.
That's your uncle.
Yeah. Guys, the other day I spent $700 just standing into my car. It's ridiculous. Well, like, we spent $700. I broke into this car like 2 days ago. This is not my car. This is not mine. The police see this. We're located in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Then you used to just say we were in Texas.
My bad. How could you hate this car? Like, actually, like, look me in my eyes and tell me that you hate this car. God damn, boy. That's that pure American muscle vehicle right there. Sometimes I'll be wondering, like, what if I had like a Lamborghini or something? Oh yeah, let's have outside. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. How do you say outside in Spanish? Afuera. Hey! We afuera, afuera, que lo que era lo mío, papi. We're actually going back inside. This is my exit, guys. This vlog was quite pointless. I'm gonna head into this Target. I'm probably not gonna record anymore. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, you comment, and you subscribe to be on the next video. No? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.